The visualizations that are an essential part of Chöd practice are by some considered not only exotic but outrageous. As Khenpo Jigme has explained, Chöd was not taught until the end of the 3-year retreat in the monastery at Vajravijra because it's so easy to misunderstand the meaning of those forms of symbolism. It is particularly difficult to understand how visualizations that figure a Buddha cutting up your visualized body can produce the signature manifestation of Chöd, which is bliss. Vajrayogini cuts off your visualized head and creates it as a skull cup in the first part of what is called the White Feast. It is hard to understand how that is related to bliss. Be that as it may, among the 3 ways in which enlightened experience can manifest, namely bliss, clarity, and emptiness, Chöd is the quintessential bliss practice. It's reasonable to ask how this figures in such a violent scenario. The answer to this question is that it is possible through the practice of phowa. The White Feast is not only possible because Vajrayogini offers this feast and she manifests through the practice of the long phowa, which is usually called opening the door to space. This phowa is actually a form of tummo. It's not the form that is a part of the practices of the 6 yogas of Naropa. It involves a different structure, but it produces the same 4 kinds of joy. The White Feast is introduced by the long phowa, at the culmination of which Vajrayogini presents herself as the enlightened form of your own mind. There are 3 principal kinds of phowa that create the foundation of Chöd and are responsible for bliss. Unfortunately, this has something of bad reputation. It's often associated with blissed out, as in California bliss. This is not that kind of bliss. In the next blog, I will explain what this bliss is and how it is directly responsible for the compassion with which bliss is identified.